Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day, making a great night, folks. It's a TGIF. Let's make it a great one. Believe in yourself and everything you can be. Yesterday's gone. Tomorrow's not here. What are you doing right now? Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow finish up 113, NASDAQ down 47, S&P's up 250, gold contract up down $7.90, traded at $1,145 an ounce. Silver down 6 cents at $15.16 an ounce. Platinum off $7.90 at $9.47 an ounce. Copper down 2 pennies at $2.28 a pound. Light sweet crude up 64 cents, trading out at $45.55 a barrel. Bonds 10-year down 8 ticks, 127.27. 30-year off 1 point and 7 ticks, 155.15. In both cases, folks, you had bonds moving higher this week with conviction. You back down today with lighter volume. You get an ABC structure on the way up on that 10-year that's going to go up and over and after. Well, it's going to go after the August 24th highs. King dollar up 176 ticks. King dollar once again failed to take out its swing point. King dollar hasn't been able to take out a swing point since August 7th, which is pretty amazing, particularly after Janet Yellen was coming out last night saying that they are going to go up on rates. Market doesn't believe it. Euro down 25 at 112.05, and the yen trading out at 120.58. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. Now, in the world of the S&Ps, folks, if you're in front of the screen out here today, you're talking about a major failure. On price, on volume, pretty amazing, actually. S&Ps were gapping higher this morning. You had the SPY up at 195. It closed at 192.86. Bottom line, you're going to be gunning for this 186. The ABC structure is still in place. The ABC structure on the way down at 184. You take a look at the NDX 100, same type of setup inside the NDX 100. What you have with the NDX 100, you're trading at a price point of 102.96. The Qs had gone to 105, couldn't handle price, couldn't handle the market, period. What was the culprit? The culprit, folks, was the IBB. The IBB absolutely took the NASDAQ apart. This sell-off started at 11:10 this morning rather. It accelerated. The IBB was down $16, trading out at $310. Monster volume. You're doing 9 million shares. You're going into the lows you're going into the August 24th bar. That bar there, the low of that bar is 284. We're at 310 right now. The thing that's intriguing about this is that the 25th is 325. It just sliced and diced it. If you look at some of these stocks, if we go inside the NDX 100, what you're going to see, it's all about the IBB. At Vertex Pharmaceutical down $7.83 at 103. Illumina was off $12 at 175. Regeneron was down 31 at 490. Alexa Pharmaceutical was down $7.80. And when you talk about percentages, this is about as intense as you get, because when you look at the percentages, you're talking about Regeneron was down 5.8%. You had Illumina down 6.7%. Intuitive Surgical was down 3%. You had Adaptus Healthcare down 11.9%. I can go on and on. Bottom line is that this market wants lower price. You have the wide price spread. You have the juice. You have all of the above. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Bottom line, gold set in an ABC structure on the way up in a nice little way. Gold traded down to 1140 today. You're at 1145. You back down with 133,000 contracts. Yesterday, we did 220,000 contracts on the way up. What does that set up? That sets up a run for the 1169 area, which is the high of the 24th of August. What it actually does, though, is set up a run to 1234, which was the high that was generated out here on May 18th. Now, bonds. The bond market, folks, has been the most consistent giver of information inside the marketplace. Bonds today rejected 127.14. We did 1.1 million contracts. We will go topside yesterday with 1.7, 1.2. You're running into 1.6. This 10-year is going to go up into, and we'll see what happens when it, the high of the 10-year, the all-time high is 129.10. That was the spike high on the 24th. I expect what you're going to see is that that baby is going to run into that area more than likely Monday. King dollar. What do you have a king dollar? King dollar just can't handle price, folks. Pretty amazing. King dollar, and today, no doubt, would be a shocker. Why? Because Yellen is saying that flat out, if you heard that speech last night, she's saying, we're going up on rates. We are going up on rates before the end of the year. It's like, give me a break. You get 90 days and you just decided not to go up on rates. Well, the market didn't believe it either. The swing point that you're dealing with the king dollar is August 7th. That swing point is 98.74. Well, when the dollar came down, you broke all the lows out on August 24th at 92. It goes topside again, and it can't even get to a minus swing point. The dollar goes to 96.92 on the 3rd, can't get to the minus swing point of 97.40, comes south again with volume, and then today it couldn't even get to the 96.92. We hit 96.88, gave it up. Dollar's going to go into lower price. Needless to say, the market itself is saying that, guess what? Well, no matter what Yellen is saying, we're not going up on price. I got our man, Mr. Dave White with us. We're going to be growling and prowling out here, talking tech. And needless to say, we got a volatile market.
I tell you what, like I said on my show today, all you got to do is wait about 5 minutes, and the market's probably going to be vastly different than you thought it was.
Well, there's no doubt, you know, when the IBB turns, it is the most vicious ETF animal that's in the marketplace, you know?
Probably because there's so many retail clients in it, I think.
No, it's actually owned. If we bring it up, you'll see it's actually owned
by the IBB or the...
Yeah, the IBB is actually owned by institutions.
I'm thinking a lot of the people own biotechs in their...
No, it's 300. No, this is big guys. Watch, if you, all these stocks are way too expensive for the retails. That's, you know, some of them might on it, but if we bring this up, what you're going to see, we bring up REGN. Well, actually, I can do it another way.
Maybe I should say it better. They trade kind of like tech did in 2000.
Well,
everything and nothing in just different days. Right?
What has happened is that the IBB, no doubt, has gone up forever, right? Do you know what I mean? And this is the chicken and the egg, folks, okay? And what happens on the ETF structures, right, is it's great when they're going up because the ETFs have to keep buying them. But as soon as they go down, ETFs has to sell them, or the stock has to sell them. That's the correlation. You stay right there. Dave and I come right back. We're going to be talking some tech, folks.